One of the other applications that we really like people to use all new on is garage doors. Obviously, this one is taken off. We're just using one section to demonstrate for you guys today, but this product gets applied with your garage door right on the house. One thing that happens on garage doors, especially when you got a south facing or a west facing door, is it gets a lot of sun. What we want to do today is show you how easy it is to use our Step 1 Clean product, and then after we do that, we'll show you how to put the Step 2 Protect product to really lock that in and make it look great. So here, let me show you how we're going to use the towel, and we're just going to do one small section for you. So I'm going to pour the product on, give the towel a little bit of a squeeze, and then all I need to do is wipe. See, there's beautiful brown paint underneath. This is one of our favorite colors to do because it shows such a great improvement. You can see here how as I'm wiping, I'm cleaning the surface. This is the dirt and the oxidation that I'm removing. What we want to do is rotate our rag, so when we poured the product on and I squeezed it together, I have good liquid here. So I know a question is, well, isn't that really just dirt? And the answer is, you know, if I rub this and I try to get off kind of the primary layer, you can definitely see that I got rid of the primary dusty coating, but hopefully you can see the difference here. This is a fully restored back to the factory color. This is still a very flat, just not very cosmetically great looking door, but I've got some Step 1 Clean on the rag here. And that's what we're looking for. So now that we've shown you how to clean, I'd like to show you how to use our Step 2 Protect products. So I've already prepared the sponge, and I have a very, if I squeeze it together, you'll see that I don't have any dripping out. So I have a damp sponge, but it's not saturated. And all I'm gonna do is with constant pressure, light pressure, but not pressing hard, I'm just gonna wipe on, and you can see the great gloss that I'm getting. That's all there is. Thank you for watching. For more tips and techniques on the full line of all new products and applications, visit us online.